Hi, hope you are doing great. I am Muhammad Awais from Bizistech and our today topic is how to run Amazon PPC campaigns. Before we move forward, let me tell you what is Amazon PPC. Amazon PPC is basically, in simple words, the advertisement of your products on Amazon, and PPC stands for pay per click. This means you will only be charged whenever a user clicks on your ad. Okay, let's move towards how to run Amazon PPC campaign. For this, you have to log into your Seller Central, and under Advertising tab, you have to click on Campaign Manager. Once you click on Campaign Manager, you will see all the existing campaigns in your account. But here we want to run a new campaign, so I will simply click on Create Campaign. Now once you click on Create Campaign, you will see three options here. One is sponsored products, other is sponsored brands, and third one is sponsored display. The second and third one is only available to brand registered sellers, and first one, that is sponsored products, it is available to everyone. So we click on continue, because in this video we will be covering only sponsored products. Once you click on continue, you will move into campaign builder. Under here you can see that there are different sections of campaign builder. First one is settings. Before we dig deep into settings, let me tell you that there are two campaign types. One is automatic targeting and second one is manual targeting. In automatic targeting, Amazon decides against which keywords or products your ads need to be shown, and you only set your bids. And in manual targeting, you decide everything and tell Amazon that against which keywords or products you want your ad to be shown. So let's move to the other portions in setting. Under campaign name, you can write any name. For example, I am running auto campaign and my product is pampas grass, so I can write pampas grass auto. Okay, portfolio is basically managing and organizing your PPC campaigns. For time being, we can leave it as no portfolio. Start date. Start date can be any date at which you want to start your campaign, and if you have a certain date in mind to end your campaign, then you can write your date here, or simply you can leave it as blank. The next portion in campaign builder is campaign bidding strategy. Here we have three options: dynamic bids down only, dynamic bids up and down, and fixed bids. Dynamic bids down only. This means that once you place a bid of $1 for your ad, then you will not be charged more than $1. Dynamic bids up and down. This means that once you place a bid of $1, then you will be charged, you can be charged $2 or can be charged less than $1. And fixed bids. You will be exactly charged what you have placed bid. For example, you place a bid of $1, so each time an Amazon shopper clicks on your ad. So the third one is fixed bids. It means if you have placed a bid of $1, then you will not be charged less than or more than $1, and whenever an Amazon shopper clicks on your ad, you will be exactly charged $1. The next thing under campaign builder is create an ad group. You can simply leave as it is, as this is used to arrange different portions of campaign. The next thing under campaign builder is products. Here you tell Amazon that at which products you want to run your campaign. For example, I want to run my campaign for pampas grass, so I will simply click on add. Now this product has been added here. Okay. The next thing in campaign builder is automatic targeting. Here you tell Amazon at which bids you want to run your campaign. If you set the bid at default bid, then your entire campaign will be at $0.75. But if you want to set your campaign by different match types, then you can see that you have four options here. One is close match, second one is loose match, third one is substitutes, and fourth one is complements. Close match. It means your ads are shown to the shoppers who use search terms that are closely related to your products. Loose match. Once For loose match, your bids are shown to the shoppers who use search terms that are loosely matched to your products. And substitutes. Substitutes are targeted shoppers that are looking for products that are in substitute of your product. And complements. Complements are appeared on product detail pages. For example, if you are selling printer ink and your ads are shown to the shoppers who are searching for printers that use the ink you sell. Okay, here you have the option. If you want to launch the same campaign in other marketplaces, you can simply turn it on and you then click on the countries at which you want to run your campaign. For time being, we can simply turn it off. The next thing in under campaign builder is negative keyword targeting. The negative keyword targeting has two things: negative exact and negative phrase. The negative keyword targeting is mostly done in campaign optimization state, but let me explain what it means. It means that, for example, you are selling ink pens and you want that whenever a shopper searches for pencil, your ads need not to be shown. So you can add pencil ad as negative target, negative keyword, and pencil products as negative product targets. Okay, once you have done all these things and set your bids, then you have to simply click on launch campaign and your campaign will be launched. Okay, once you have run your automatic campaign, then you can run manual campaign as well. For this, you have to click manual targeting under settings in campaign builder. The other things are exactly the same, and you can set your start date, end date, daily budget. For example, if I want to spend $20 daily on my PPC, I can simply write $20 here. The campaign bidding strategy here is exactly the same as auto campaigns. The create ad group settings is similarly as auto campaigns, and you can simply add your products like you did in auto campaign. Now here is the difference. Once you move to the targeting, you see that there are two options: keyword targeting and product targeting. Let me explain keyword targeting. For keyword targeting, you tell Amazon that against these keywords you want your ad to be shown. For example, if you are selling pens and whenever a user types in pen, then your ad needs to be shown. In product targeting, you tell Amazon that once a user see this product, then your ads need to be appear on this product page. First we will cover keyword targeting. In keyword targeting, we have three match types: broad, phrase, and exact. Let me explain you what these target means. Here we have a keyword blue scarf. You can see search terms. These are the terms that users type on Amazon search bar to search for different products. For example, if you have a keyword and you target it in as exact match, phrase match, and broad match. Once a user writes in the search term blue scarf for woman, if you have targeted your keyword in broad, then your ad will be shown. For phrase match, it will also be shown, but for exact match, it will be not shown, because exact matches are shown whenever a user types in exactly the same as your keyword. Okay, the second search term is scarf in blue color. Here you can see that only broad match shows your ad, because for broad match the search term order need not to be same like keyword, but for phrase and exact match it needs to be same. The third one is blue scarves. If you have targeted blue scarf as broad, phrase, and exact, and a customer types in blue scarves, then your ad will be shown for all three match types. Number 4, you can see that blue muffler. Here you can see that the customer types in blue muffler and your ads does not shows, because this phrase does not contain your keyword blue scarf. Okay, let's move to the campaign again. Amazon is suggesting here different keywords. You can enter your own list here. For example, I have added some keywords. I simply copy from my Excel file and paste here. Now I have to click on add keywords and my keywords will be added. Here you can see that Amazon is giving us the suggested bids. For example, for keyword pampas grass branches tall bulk, it is showing as exact match and its bid is 0.75. You can change the bids here as per your choice, and also you can use the keyword suggested by Amazon. Okay, the next portion is negative keyword targeting, same like auto campaigns. Here you can tell Amazon that for these keywords your ad need not to be shown. These things, the negative keyword targeting is mostly done in campaign optimization stage. Once you have done all this, you have to simply click on launch campaign and your campaign will be launched. Okay, under sponsored products and under manual targeting, you have the second option, that is product targeting. Here you can see that once you come for product targeting, Amazon is suggesting either you want to add entire category as your targeted, or you simply can add individual products by entering the SN of that product here. Okay, here you can see that Amazon is giving you options. That under manual targeting you have the second option, that is product targeting. Here you tell Amazon that against these products, or whenever a user is looking at these products, your ads need to be shown. For example, here Amazon is giving us the suggestions that we can add these products. For example, if I add this product, whenever a user will be looking at this product, my ad will be shown at the bottom of this product listing page. You have the option to enter manually the product list by simply adding ASINs here, and then click on target, and your ASIN will be targeted here. The next thing is negative product targeting. Here this is the same as automatic campaigns, and you tell Amazon that for these products your ads need not to be shown on these product pages. Once you do this, this is also mostly done in our campaign optimization stage. When you have done all this, then you have to simply click on launch campaign and your campaign will be launched. Okay, this was all about automatic campaigns and manual campaigns under sponsored products. Hope you will learn a lot from this, and it will be benefit for you, and you will be able to run campaigns for your products. This was all from my side. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.